Uncle. I want to make sure things are going okay there.
First, I want to know if things are okay with Nikki. We haven't heard from her.
She's still working things out. She just needs a little more time.
Well, Jackson misses her terribly. She should at least give him a call. I can tell he's restless. He's not happy here.
I understand. And I'll let her know. You have any problems with Jax, anything at all, if he wanders off or anything, you call me right away.
I will. You take care of that sister of yours.
Yeah.
So kick a little
I am.
something
One
like
casual day when I was rightfully chillin'. I was ill and had the feeling the brother was tired billing. I was still feeling assorted of rigor mortis from the Millers and the 40s. Sitting in the shorties at. Other than that, I'm nice, take a shower, get right. Launch it tight, hit the road, put it down. So then I roll off, oh, just how I roll off. No, I don't slow up, yo, it's here to go down. Rotten, cruise.
One time. Yo, all I need is one mic, one beat, one stage, one nigga front my face on the front page. Only if I had one gun, one girl and one crib, one God to show me how to do things. The sun get pure, like a cup of virgin blood. Mixed with 151, one sip will make a nigga flip. Writing names on my hollow tips, plotting shit, mad violence. One body, this hood politics acknowledge. Leave bodies chopped up in garbages. Seeds when I just grow up and try to follow this police. When I just grow up and try to knock at this funny actor. Could it be my time is the cop shot me. Glass burst of paint, drops of Heineken. Take a shame between us instead of hiding. Blacking out, I shoot back, fuck getting hit. Little niggas is grown. If you really think you're ready to die, with nines out, this is what nines is about, nigga, the time is now. All I need is one blunt, one page, one pen, one prayer. Forgive me for one sin. Maybe more than one. You pat, you know the hatred against me. Fuck all of them. Jesus, that's what takes 33. It's 33 shots from 3 Glocks and 16 apiece. One of my guns was holding 17s. 6 minutes to you.
Say that again?
Shit. Keep forgetting Claire's not used to this. I'm gonna scare her off if I'm not careful. Crispin's my ticket into the auction and my only shot at getting close to Iraq. He needs to disappear.
I'm sorry. Easy now. Share the sidewalk. Don't do it! Oh, God!
Place is too exposed. Better go in quietly.